Hello again, or for the first time, in which case, welcome. Today I wanted to show you how to make some Coco cookies. Usually I'd call this type of pastry biscuits, but there was no way I was missing out on that alliteration. Anyway, for them you'll be needing 80 grams of coconut milk, 30 grams of white sugar, 30 grams of brown sugar, 60 grams of flour, 20 grams of starch, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 20 grams of cocoa powder, 80 grams of dark chocolate, and some grated coconut to top them. So, once you've checked that there is no unnecessary milk powder in your chocolate, let us begin. Mix together your coconut milk and both types of your sugar. In a separate bowl, stir together your flour, starch, baking powder, salt, and cocoa powder. Then, as you might have expected, mix together your dry and wet ingredients. Now, let's get to the chocolate. If you haven't done so yet, chop up 80 grams of chocolate into smaller pieces. Then split it in half. Take one half and melt it using intervallic heating in the microwave, for example. Mix in your melted chocolate and then add the remaining chocolate chips. Before we proceed, prepare a tray with baking paper and preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. At this point, your dough should be pretty thick, so take about a teaspoon and place it onto the tray. Once you have your lumps of dough, shape them into balls. Then get your grated coconut and roll them around until they're nicely covered. Then transfer the tray swiftly into the oven, if it's already preheated. Let some chemical reactions take place for around 13 minutes, then take them out and let them cool a bit. And there you have your adequate alliterative amusement. As always, appreciate.